Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 4 or 5. I've already lost track at this point, but yeah, welcome back to Vlogmas. I'm so excited. Today is Monday. We're getting back on track with the week. I've had a super busy weekend with Matthew. It's always like good to have him back home for the weekend, and that consists of a really busy weekend. So we had a lot to do this weekend. I vlogged it all, but I just haven't uploaded it because sitting down and editing takes a very long time, and like when I'm home I just like want to spend time with him. So I was like, I need to edit, but I also like miss you. So yeah, but I think I'm just going to edit and upload them and post the weekend vlogs this morning, and then either tonight or tomorrow morning I'll post today's vlog. So today is just gonna be a cleaning day and an editing day. Like that's what I'm doing all day. I'm not gonna be like doing any other stuff, just filming and cleaning all day today. Because I cleaned some yesterday, but like not enough to where the house is like spotless. And it's not that the house is dirty, there's just stuff everywhere, like from shopping, Christmas presents. There's just stuff everywhere. I need to wrap presents. If you could not tell, we are starting out in the Starbucks drive-through. I'm in need of like just like espresso. Like I need some strong coffee this morning. We've had such a busy weekend that like I slept in a little bit, and we normally don't sleep in this much, but I just need an espresso. So I'm gonna order me and Matthew's drinks, breakfast for us, and then I'm gonna head back home and we're gonna get to editing because I gotta edit and cleaning.
Morning, thanks for choosing Starbucks. Can I interest you with any food items today?
Yes, can I please get your bacon and your bacon egg bites? Can I also
Bacon and your egg bites, of course.
Yes, can I also get a sugar plum Danish?
And a sugar plum cheese Danish, of
Yes,
course.
and then your oatmeal.
The classic or blueberry?
I will have the blueberry one.
The blueberry?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else for you today?
Yes, can I also get a venti medicine bowl?
Alright, just so you know, we're out of the peach tranquility tea, but what I've been doing for people is just doubling the jade citrus mint.
Okay, that should...
It's pretty much the same thing.
Okay, that'll be fine.
Right, anything else for you today?
Yes, can I please have a triple blonde espresso and a venti cup over ice? Can I get that with about 4.5 pumps of sugar cookie syrup?
You said of sugar-free syrup?
Sugar cookie syrup?
Oh, sugar cookie. Okay.
Yes. And then can I also do about a 1/2 inch of oat milk? And then the sugar cookie cold foam on top with the sprinkles, please.
Alright, I'm just typing it all in.
No worries.
Because we don't have like a foam for the sugar cookie, but that's been very popular.
Yeah, I saw it from TikTok.
That's what I think. Yeah, a lot of these weird drinks are TikTok.
I'm sorry.
Oh no, we've had some. The other day there was someone that came in and it was like this frappuccino, and it was like double the chocolate, then add double the caramel.
Oh
and
wow.
I literally was like, "You good? You're gonna be all hyped up on sugar."
Yeah.
Like I was like, I mean, I'll make it, but shoot. All right. Let's see. So we've got that. Okay. Anything else for you today?
No, that'll be all. I got the goods. Now let's go home. It's so much later. It's 5:53 p.m. It is literally dinner time. So I just got myself some Panera. So yummy. I've literally been at the computer all day, just like editing and just replying to emails, contracts, all that kind of stuff. My head hurts from just staring at the computer all day, but I had to catch up. I haven't even started cleaning. Like no cleaning has gotten done at all. I haven't wrapped any Christmas presents. Nothing has happened. But I am gonna eat my dinner. I'm gonna show you what I got. Here is my Panera order. I got first thing was the, I think it's the papaya green tea or passion fruit green tea. It is so good. If you are part of the like this drink club or whatever, you get free drinks until the end of the year. So I did it back in October, and I've been getting free drinks. So it's pretty good because it's usually $4, and it was like free on the app. So I just signed up and I get free drinks now. I also got the You Pick 2, and I got mac and cheese and the Chipotle chicken avocado melt. I'm going to enjoy my dinner, and I've also been having like on the background everyone's vlogmases. So I've been currently watching Clancy's, and we're not gonna talk about that. We're not gonna talk about that, and I'm gonna go sit right there, watch Clancy's vlog, and eat my Panera. Alright you guys, it is literally 11:33 p.m. but we're gonna do our advent calendars. I cannot leave y'all hanging, so let's unbox these. And honestly, I am behind. I was looking at the calendars because we're at day 6. Why am I at day 4 on Ulta? So we got some catching up to do. So let's open up number 4. Right, we're on, no we're not, we're on day 5. Okay, so just 2 more to open. Ooh, what is this? So this is a cream eyeshadow. Like this really pretty gold color. Probably like not translating on camera at all. I mean, it's shimmery, it looks really pretty, it's very creamy, so it feels nice. So okay, so that was day 4. Now let's open day 5. I don't know how I got this behind. Oh wait, I don't think I unboxed them yesterday. That's probably why. Okay, now let's see what this one is. So this is a tinted lip oil. Okay, so I've actually heard that Ulta's lip oils are really good. Ooh, I do like this a lot. It doesn't feel like oil on your lips. Like, I like that. It's in a cute little package. So it's in this really cute little package. I would absolutely repurchase this again. I would absolutely repurchase this in the full size. I have honestly seen nothing but great things from that lip oil from Ulta. Okay, now we're gonna do the coffee. I'm not drinking any coffee right now. It's almost midnight, but let's just open them. We're gonna open number 4. Oh wait, I already did number 4. Okay, number 5. It's the donut shop blend. Okay, this is the second donut shop blend in a row. Okay, here's my thing with this. Like, don't get me wrong, the flavors I've had so far are actually really good. But this is already 2 donut shops, like, in a row. And then I had 2 caramel macchiatos, like, in a row. I feel like they need to, like, space it out a little bit more. But tomorrow, I expect a cinnamon flavor. Okay? Okay. You know what? I've come to the conclusion. I am actually going to start doing my advent calendars in the morning because I feel like whatever's in here needs to be, like, had with coffee. So instead of doing them in the evening, I think I need to start doing these, like, in the morning with my coffee. Like, coffee time, or no, advent calendar / coffee time with Darlene. That's what we're going to call it. Okay. So now we're going to do these. Oh my god, I just opened number 17. That's not good. Okay. We're just gonna ignore that. Okay, so we're gonna open number 4. Ooh, can you get something different? Okay, this is what number 4 is. Let's see what this one is. So this is a limoncello flavored cookie. I love like lemon cookies. Like those are my favorite. Let's try this. Okay, texture-wise, 10 out of 10. Flavor-wise, like 5 out of 10. It's like a very subtle lemon. Like, it's not bad, but I've had better. Now we're gonna do day 5, so we're caught up. Day 5 is down here. Let's see what, okay, I like that we're getting variety now. It looks like this is the cacao and chocolate drop cookies. It looks like the same as the lemon ones, so let's try this one. I feel like these would be better like with coffee. I think I need to do that. Okay, again, I like the texture. Like, I like the crunch. It's kind of soft, it's chewy, but not like super chewy. Like, it's just like the right amount of chew. But there's hardly any flavor in these. It's very subtle. And they're not bad, but this flavor is just so subtle. Now we need to do number 4. Okay, number 4 is down here. don't think I can eat any more chocolate. Okay, so this one is, I almost hit me, did y'all see that? This is just a milk chocolate bear with a double milk filling. It's a cute little bear. He's adorable. I love him. Okay. You guys, I was like, why is it white? I was staring at this trying to figure out why it was white because I didn't see any white chocolate on this. But I was reading it and I had like a blonde moment. It's actually Lindt Mini Milk Chocolate Bears with double milk filling. I'm just gonna pass on that one. It wasn't bad, but anything like milk, just don't know. It's just not for me. Okay, where is 5? 5 is up here. Okay. It's the same thing. Oh no! This is a Lindt Mini Milk Chocolate Teddy. That is a big one. This is the biggest chocolate I've had from them so far. So I think I'm actually gonna save it for Matthew because, you know what? No, I'm gonna eat it. Sorry, babe. Ooh, he's so cute. Look how cute he is. I love it. Okay, I'm about to eat it. I feel bad. It's hollow. I mean, it's chocolate. That is it for my little advent calendar segment. Starting tomorrow, I'm going to start unboxing these in the morning so that y'all don't get me like half asleep and that y'all actually get me trying the coffee with a cookie. I think that will be more entertaining for y'all. And then of course we'll do like the chocolate and the Ulta one. So far, my favorite thing from the Ulta advent calendar so far is a lip oil. It feels so nice on the lips. But I'm actually going to end the vlog here. I've been editing all day. I've just been on the computer literally staring at the screen all day. And then I've been cleaning. I vacuumed. I did laundry. I organized the kitchen. I did dishes, which is why y'all see that pile behind me. It is actually clean, so it's not dirty. Those are clean dishes. But yes, I've been doing laundry. I haven't even taken a shower yet, but I feel like I have to wait. Well, I do have to wait because my towels are in the dryer, so I have nothing to dry myself with. So yeah, I'm going to be up for a little bit while, so I guess I'm going to just edit this vlog and have it ready for tomorrow morning. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow in my next Vlogmas. Bye!